The Supreme Court has stopped lower court federal judges from blocking any of Trump's executive orders on birthright citizenship, but the battle isn't over yet. Now, the written opinion of this decision came from Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett. Now, she is a Trump appointee, right? She is the one who faced a lot of backlash and criticism from Trump and his supporters because she's gone against the Trump administration in many of her rulings, especially those related to the Alien Enemies Act and Trump's bid to freeze foreign aid payments. So she's really faced a lot of criticism from the Trump administration. And being a Trump appointee, well, you know the deal with that. So now Justice Amy Coney Barrett will be on the good side of Trump as she just got this win for him. Now, in the opinion, this is what she wrote, and I'll quote it. Federal courts do not exercise general oversight of the executive branch. They resolve cases and controversies consistent with the authority Congress has given them. When the court concludes that the executive branch has acted unlawfully, the answer is not for the court to exceed power to. Now, this is very interesting as we are supposed to be a country of checks and balances, but it's not seeming that way. So what happens now? Well, all of the plaintiffs are moving forward with their class action lawsuits. In fact, immediately after this decision came through, motions were filed. The states are moving forward with their lawsuits, and the ACLU filed a new lawsuit yesterday in court immediately after this decision. What happens after that? The battle is going to continue, and it will most likely end up back in the hands of the Supreme Court. But we know that Trump basically owns the Supreme Court. So, it's very difficult to see anything happening other than what Trump and his administration wants. What are your thoughts on birthright citizenship? Do you believe a child has the right to have citizenship in the United States if the child is born in the United States? And what do you feel will happen to those who have already received birthright citizenship? A lot of things to think about here and where this will lead. What will this lead to? I'll keep you updated with everything, of course. Please like, follow, and share so that I can continue to provide you with content. And I really appreciate you being here.